Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunita. In this video I'm going to show you how to make creamy chicken. This is one of my favorite recipe. You must definitely give this a try. Come on, let's get started. I have taken 4 thigh pieces for this recipe. I'm going to add salt as required. 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. 1 teaspoon of paprika powder. 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic powder. Juice of half a lime. Mix all these well and let this marinate for at least 2 to 3 hours. You can also use chicken thighs with skin on it. It will taste even more better. To roast the chicken, to a cast iron pan, I am going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. It is better if you use a cast iron pan to make this recipe. Let's place the chicken pieces on the tawa. The skillet should be very hot when we are placing the chicken pieces on it. It's been 2 minutes. I'm going to flip it. And now it's been 2 minutes. I'm going to turn the flame to medium. Turn the chicken pieces again and cook it for 5 minutes. And this time we are going to cover this with a lid. It's been exactly 5 minutes now. I'm going to remove these from the pan and transfer it to a plate. To the same pan, I'm going to add 1 more tablespoon of butter. Along with this, I am going to add 3 cloves of garlic crushed. Scrape the bottom of the pan and saute this for 10 seconds. To this, I am going to add 2 chicken cubes. You can also replace this with 1 cup of chicken stock. I am going to add 1 cup of water to this. Adding juice of half a lime. Lower the flame and I am going to add 200 ml of fresh cream. You can taste the sauce and adjust seasoning accordingly. If you want, you can add salt and spice according to your preference. I am adding half a teaspoon of pepper powder, half a teaspoon of mixed herbs. And now I am going to keep the chicken pieces back inside.
Now I am going to keep the chicken pieces back now.
Very good, Tintuma. I'm going to cover and cook this on medium flame for 10 minutes. It's been 5 minutes. I'm going to flip the chicken pieces again and cook this for 3 more minutes. And now it's been exactly 3 minutes. This is the consistency of my sauce. If you want it to be even more thicker, you can add a teaspoon of maida and mix it well so that it will become thick. You can serve this with boiled pasta or mashed potatoes. Definitely give this a try. It will be so juicy and creamy. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback in the comment section below. And if you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up and support me. It really means a lot to me. See you guys next time with another interesting video or another interesting recipe. Until then, take care. Bye.